Lucy and the Dinosaurs. Lucy opens her apartment door.
Hello, Junior.
Hello. Can you help me write a report for school?
Oh, yes. I'm a great writer. I have a very popular blog. Do you read my blog?
No.
I have a lot of books. Do you need my books for research?
I don't need your books.
What is your report about?
Dinosaurs.
Why do you want to talk to me?
Because you are very old. You know a lot of dinosaurs, right?
Goodbye, Junior.
Y. Writer. Door. Very. Hello.
Eddie and Junior are at a store. Eddie and Junior are at a store.
You want to play a new sport. That's exciting. You want to play a new sport. That's exciting. Do you want to play basketball? Do you want to play basketball?
I don't like sports with balls. I don't like sports with balls.
This tennis racket is nice. This tennis racket is nice.
Tennis is a sport with balls. Tennis is a sport with balls.
Okay, what about
I want to.
swim? Do you want to swim? Swim. Do you want to swim?
No.
But swimming is a sport with no... But swimming is a sport with no... balls.
Dad, no.
Well, what do you want to do? Well, what do you want to do?
Junior looks at a pair of ballet shoes. Junior looks at a pair of ballet shoes.
I really want to dance. I really want to dance.
You want to dance? You want to dance?
Yes. Is it a problem? Yes. Is it a problem?
No! Dancing is a sport too! No! Dancing is a sport too!
Eddie starts to dance in the store. Eddie starts to dance in the store.
Dad, please stop dancing. Dad, please stop dancing.
Stop. To play. Pair. Nice. Exciting.